In this lesson, you are going to understand all about lines. So music is usually written on lines, either a single line or the staff. The staff is 5 parallel lines, and you'll see examples in this book both using the single line and also the staff, which is the 5 parallel lines right here. So every time you see these 5 lines together in music, that's called the staff. You'll notice that with your course, you got a free download of a piece of, well, paper that's covered with staff. And the reason is you're going to be using that piece of paper to write music. Also, sometimes you will see music written just on a single line like this. More often than not, though, you are going to see music on the staff. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.